Anil sir?
I'm
Anil,
back, Kunal sir, a little louder.
Anil sir, you are not audible. That is the only problem. Sir, audible. हाँ, नहीं सुनाई देता.
Audible is already on?
Yeah, now.
Now you are audible, sir.
Ah, okay, fine. Actually, we use MCD Zoom, no? This is standard Zoom.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Sir, maybe some few gadgets are on by your area.
Oh.
If you have joined by laptop, you need to your phone. So,
Hello, sir. Oh, you will be able to join with the previous link. I changed my setting. Also, I thought you are creative, and then I thought let me play with my laptop. Okay. Okay. So, this youngster, I would like to tell you that when you grow up, make sure this technical problem don't pop up. You do something in that direction.
Sorry for
Sir, they
technical.
will, no, I think prove themselves better than us. They
Yeah.
are more advanced and more techno savvy.
Yeah.
No problem. When
No, sir,
I
you will
will
be able
start,
to share. Yeah.
he is still showing same problem.
Allow
So
parts.
this is
Okay. Okay, then you'll be able to share screen. Okay.
or just may I create the link and start?
No, it should show now. Just give it one more time.
No problem, sir.
I have enabled allow participant to share the screen.
Yes, it is there. Yes, I can share my screen. Yes. Is it visible to everyone?
Yes,
So,
sir.
now it is, yes.
Okay. So almost everyone watch these websites, right? Seen. So as the student, one of the asked me, what you have to do. First thing is that I hope you watch the movie Mars Mission. Is everyone watch the movie Mars Mission?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So which word you remember from those movies? Which is
If
most
there is
interesting?
sir, if we think of something, we can do it unless we are not determined to do it.
Perfect. So once you need to use this same potential for your challenge, space app challenge. Other things. I want to listen one more word, and then I will explain. Anyone else? Any specific remembering word? Okay, let me clear. The entire Mars mission managed by ISRO is a unique, totally new. No one think like that. Around 470 crore rupees of real budget, they signed entire mission to the Mars. So there is a nothing copy paste. This is own knowledge, own thinking of the way. So it is a unique, it is an advantage. A same thing you need to hear, right? So almost you aware about the homepage of this website, right?
Yes, sir.
So yes, I focus directly on the challenges, right? Which you like to know what you going to be do. Just it's taking a time, nothing else. The theme of this app challenge is a take a action. Take a action, and it is divided into different 7 parts, and each part have their own sub parts, right? So your task is to read each one by one and identify yourself in which part you like to be worked, right? I'm not going to explain each and every one, because this same information you can read by yourself also at your end, right? So suppose I'm taking the first challenge is a observe, right? So the first part is a One Health approach, right? In that they're trying to say us take a interdisciplinary approach using earth science and health science. So in that case, you should aware about the earth science and health, and how it can be combined with the with humans for better understanding way. So this challenge is helps to identify better health using natural resource and to be sustained, right? So it is a one of that. If you click on that, it is open one more. Second is a scanning for life forms. So I think you should avoid this one, right? Because it is depend on the satellite's image. Satellite's images are available for you, but for that you require at least 1.5 month training, how to access the satellite's image and how to use them. Next is a what are you looking at? Means from the deep space there is a multiple different wavelengths are there. I think you aware about the aura and faunas on the pole of the earth, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
totally
Yes.
different.
Yes, sir.
It is a just for the earth, right? Is a part of the Milky Way. In the Milky Way, it is a part of the around 10 raised to 22 sun. Among them, there is a one sun we have, and we are a part of the our solar system, right? This kind of 10 raised to 22 suns are available in the Milky Way, and there are 10 raised to 22 different kind of the universe are there as per the predicted data. So different type of the cosmic rays, different kind of the wavelength are there, and we need to interpret them, right? Next one is the home planet for your fingerprint. I go with them. Let's see. See, in that case, your challenge is to develop tool or applications to allow user to discover and potentially visualize NASA Earth dataset that can help user monitor our home planet and improve their daily lives. So
Yes,
in
sir.
that case, you need to first learn what is the NASA Earth datasets. Like it is just like a Google Street View, and different shape file, or you can say in common different layers are there, like a vegetations layer, water layer, a soil layer. All layers are there, and how they look and how they merge. So this data is already given by the NASA, but your task is there how it can easily reach to the people, and each and every civilian can understand how it can be accessible, very easily accessible. Just like whenever you visit your library in school or in your home, whenever you visit, you know where is your books, so you can easily access. Where is your shoes outside the door? So information is there, but you have to develop such a technique it can easily accessible, right?
So, so
Yes,
sorry to
please.
interrupt.
Yes, please, no
I
issue.
have a question. Okay, see, we are trying to do here is develop something that so that the civilians can access all this data. But what's
Yes.
the point of them accessing all this data? Like, there's no point of them doing that.
That point is that you like to make more easiest way to access these informations, and how beautifully you can next persons can interpret it. For
Okay, sir.
example, let's say you have already mathematics books, right? But each and every mathematical examples have a small story or small informations like comparisons. I have a 3 potato and you have a 4 tomatoes. So what is the total? The purpose is teaching you 3 plus 4. But here I use the vegetables to explain you better way. Even sometimes teachers tell about the chocolates also for the
Okay,
junior
sir.
KG students. So they take an interest. So information is the
I cannot hear.
I think it get hang in between, sir.
Yes, he is starting. He is starting. He is starting.
Okay.
Yes, it was like
I'm sorry. See, the second part is the inform, right? So in the one is a carbon footprint, right? I am just opening here and a digital history of the earth. See, it is a automated detections of the hazards. Right now we have a satellite. Among them we use the short wave infrared SWIR wavelength, which is automatically detect the anywhere if the fire is exist, right? And for that we in India we have a portal name is a Bhuvan, BHUVAN, where you can detect any fire in India, in the entire India, you can detect just a moment and they inform. So from this space, they are detecting the smogs, temperature variations, thermal gradients, right? And they immediately inform the respective department. So it is a part of that. So I'm not touching it is for you, right? Just let's go for the carbon footprint. You can work on that carbon footprint also.
So, so
Yes, please.
I have a question. Can I opt for the challenge of Mission Earth,
Can you?
Mission to Planet Earth?
Yes, I'll
Yes,
just
I want
put
to
it
opt for the.
randomly, one to randomly. See, in the case of the carbon footprint, you need to identify the source of the carbon nearby us, like a traffic, power plant, fire event. Just right now, it is the end of the season of the Kharif, right? So, in the sorry, it is the starting of the Kharif season in the agriculture. So, in the Punjab and Haryana, so many farmers start the burning their parrots, right? So, it is indirectly affecting directly to the indirectly affecting Delhi and north part of the states, right? So it is a just example. You need to find the source of the carbon surrounding you and how you can transform these informations to decisions maker, right? As you said, you like to know to connect sustaining our planet, which is suggested by your faculty members, right? You like to connect to the Mars. This one. See, actually it is designed on the base of the Mars mission, right? Sorry, Moon mission. In the 2024, NASA planned to launch a first woman on the moon, right? Already they started the missions for the moon since 1961 as a Neil Armstrong, and we are trying to continue much more. But the purpose is this competition is you have to create the way how we can reach here to the Mars, right? Because you like to design a path. It is not exact trajectory or arbitrary, but what is the possible way we can reach? Because there is a multiple challenges. Just for example, I am telling our Mars mission MOM orbiter is take around 6 to 7 months to reach on a Mars from Earth. Can you imagine what is the velocity of those Mars orbiter Mars MOM satellites? It is around 72,000 kilometer per hour. 72,000 kilometer per hour. It is the velocity of the our satellites. Then after, still it's required 6 to 9 months. Sorry, 6 to 7 months to reach at the Mars. Suppose some person trying traveling in the this uh, space vehicle, okay, how he or she can sustain inside for 6 to 7 months, because you require food, you require sleep, you require some persons to keep eye on your track, you require continuous communications, right? So all of these challenges, so you have to find the solutions regarding based art way. So there is a one of the image that is showing the one of the Batman's vehicle which is moving from Earth to the Mars and Mars to the back. Even NASA is planning to move from Earth to Moon, and Moon become one of the stop station between the Earth and Mars, and we can travel from there, right?
I think Artemis mission.
Yes, perfect. It is going to be launched in 2024 by USA, and they planning to launch first woman on the moon, right? So your challenge is to design what is the possible visually or art way, so it can be inspired. Like up to now, whatever the technology is developed, before it is developed, someone like you, a scientist or children or experienced people, visualize. I can jump, I can travel, I can swim, and then after they design its practical way. So it is the purpose. You have to explore your imaginations, your visualizations, right? See, second is a sustain our planet for future generations. So we know almost we are cutting the trees, right? We are generating the methane gas and green gases, so which is increase the temperature, and the iceberg is going to be melt down, right? So here the our challenge is to communicate the importance of sustaining our home planet for the people of all generations. Means our ancestor was very happy with the tree and greenery, temperature is low, pure oxygens are there. But since last 30 to 40 years before you're born, it is start the industrializations. So maximum carbons are generating. So if it is continuous same, so after 10 to 20 years, even you require to buy a pouch of the oxygen, right? If you visit the Delhi, you aware about that. In the Delhi right now, air purifier is selling. It is a very nice business because Delhi is covered by the so many pollutions. But almost all of you living in the near Vidyanagar, Anand, so almost we found very pure air, and we doesn't need to require air purifier at the home, right? But it is continue. Then just like we are buying pouch of the drinking water, in the future we may buy two oxygen pouches. So it is just not limited to only tree, but plastic pollutions, the green gases, noise, light pollution, sound pollutions, all are the problems, and how we can tackle it. And for that they also provide the resource. If you open these challenges one by one, you found the resource also here. If you click on the resource, what is the data already available which you can utilize to create your work, create your applications, create your 3D 2D model, create your painting. It is already there. Yes, you need to click and there. See, one of the STEM means science, technology, engineering and maths. It is for the 5th to 8th standard, for 9 to 12 standard. NASA have a own image galleries. It have a different languages. For the kids, it's anniversary tool celebrations. And even if you go beyond, click on the team button, you found that so many people already start the forming the teams, and they are looking for the member or partner. Suppose you are very good in the coding, but you don't know what is the environment problem and etc. Then you can choose the one person who is the best environmentalist. Right? Suppose you are good in the chemistry, but you don't know what is the biology. Then you can
શું
search
છે?
from there as a team member as a
અરે પેલા
biologist.
આવે ત્યાંથી એનું ચાલુ કરીને બેઠી છું. શું કામ છે?
So you can see here
શું છે
different
ભાઈ તને?
people
5 મિનિટ
they
જઈને પેલા નીકળે ત્યાં સુધી.
given the name of their own team and they are looking for the member and provide the information. See, one of the aerospace team is looking the member and they're looking what kind of the information it is provided by them. You can see even you can create your own team as we discussed with your faculty member. You make 2 or 3 students team, 1 or 2 parents or 1 or 2 teachers, which is really help you, right? So it is the different techniques.
Sir, if we
Even-
already have select our partners, then do we need to make the team there? And they have also agreed. So do we need to make the team?
Yes, you there is a one technique already the 2 brochures are already shared with your faculty and your faculty shared in the group, right? They show
Yeah.
how to you can send a unique code to invite your member. If your invited persons accept your invitations and enter those code, then only you become a team, right? You cannot directly add anyone or no one can add you directly. They can just send the request and it's up to you. You are accepting request or up to your friends is they accepting your request or not, right?
Sir,
Yes, please.
see, so let's say we have created a team. Can
Yes.
anyone just send in a request and then we just accept it?
Yes, anyone. But before
Okay.
you sending, at least you know who is this person and how he or she can help you. Otherwise, there is the one problem is the limit of making a team is a maximum 6. You cannot add more than 6 persons in a team.
Okay.
So if you add unnecessary persons, unnecessary means suppose you already have some chemistry experts and you one more add the chemistry persons, then almost it is increase the team size, right?
Yeah.
Or
Sir,
it may be
suppose,
Yes,
suppose
please.
we created a team and
Yes.
we don't get any of the members. So which means we are alone in the team. So what we have to do for that?
See, you to participate in these competitions require at least 1 member or maximum 6. There is a no specific criteria, right? So if you are working by yourself, you can stay alone also. Say it is my unique creations and I can handle, right? So if no one is in your team member, then you can also participate. And second thing, it is never happen. Your teachers never your teachers definitely help you to make a team because so many students already from your schools are there. Even your faculties also are there. Even some mentors are also there. Ambassadors are also there. And even in the rocket chat or in a group chat, it is available in your login dashboard. You can ask to the experts, sir or ma'am, I am looking for this kind of the help and who is helping me this, right? Even suppose no one is your team member, but experts like us, it is known as an ambassador or mentor. So we will guide you for this task. You have to do these things or this information is available on this page, so you can perform. So you can also
Yes,
take
sir.
a help from the experts. Okay.
Sir,
Okay,
Sir,
Yes,
can we leave a team after we join?
I'm not sure because it is the first time I am handling and it is the first time, but definitely sure you can leave the team. Confirm, you can leave the team.
Yes, sir.
Right.
sir, after creating the teams, what do we have to do? Like
After
any
creating a
procedure?
team, it is a teamwork, just like Indian cricket team is doing. Some
Okay.
people is bowling,
Distribution.
some people is batting. So you have to distribute your work. Some people collect the information, some
Okay.
people interpret the information, some people already start creating your work, right?
Okay, sure, got it.
So the purpose
Sir,
of the team
here
is,
I would like to say one thing.
yes ma'am.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry
Yes,
to
please.
interrupt. Sir, here the team can be on the choice of their subject. Like what topic they are choosing, and then accordingly let them frame a team.
Yes, perfectly.
Is it okay?
Yes, yes, yes. It is started from the today.
Okay, okay.
Who is already registered, they have a time to choose your subtopic, your challenge.
Yes.
Once you
Okay.
choose your challenge, then you are able to see who are in the same challenges, and you are able to make a team,
Yes, exactly.
right? But it is just
Okay.
started from today.
And also,
Up to now,
while
it is not available on your dashboard to making a team or to select your challenge, right?
we take conduct classes, no, at that time also students were asking. They have not registered themselves, but they are interested by name itself NASA when they get to know. So they are asking that, ma'am, इसमें क्या करना है?
Uh,
So those students can register now. Is it open or no?
yeah, yeah. It is open for everyone, and it is open up to the 1st
We
October
allowed it?
to be
Okay.
registration.
Yes, it is open, ma'am. It is open. Today also the 3 children participated.
See, as per the, can you see my calendar? Just I
Yes.
thought right now. Just we finish after this finishing meeting. Almost tomorrow is Saturday and half day, right? So 26 and
Okay, sir.
27
Thank
students have enough time to choose their challenges. At least we give them 2 days to choose your challenge, right? And once they choose a challenge after reading all the challenges, what they can do better way, right? Then 28 or 29 they can make a team or start the collecting data. And still I have a 13th September is a spare day, right? So 30 and 1 you can already started work, which is start representing on the 2nd September onwards. So do not be hurry to choose your challenge. Choose in which you can perform better. Don't think so my friend is going in a X challenge, so I should join a X challenge, or my friend is going to be Y challenge, so I am going to in Y challenge. Just think which you like to do. Like suppose you like to fly from Earth to Mars. Suppose you like to sustain our Earth. Suppose you like to transfer the information from NASA page to all the people, right? So all are there. Suppose you like to collect the carbon footprint, right? So many informations are there. But where you found uh, some technical problem, you can contact to me or your technical team also. See, there is the one of the let's connect, right? Everyone know what is this image for? This
Sir,
image
the
is
moon
related
mission.
to what? Sorry?
Sir, I think uh, it's Russian, I think.
No, the
No.
purpose is that right now we have a one international space station, ISS, right? Since 6 to 7 years, at least 2 people is staying in the ISS, International Space Station, continuously. So frequently 6 to 8 month interval, we are launching one rocket from the Earth. It is reached in the space and it is connected. See, you are a just small student, but one of the Kepler's law say your orbital speed required minimum 5 to 7 kilometer per second to rotate around the Earth to sustain your orbit. So can you imagine when you traveling 5 to 7 kilometer velocity per second and you have to dock with the International Space Station. So this challenge is saying how easily we can connect with the another satellites or another space shuttle, docking and undocking, because within a short time, we don't know what is the time, but Elon Musk and Tesla and Joseph Bezos all are the planning the space tourism, right? And for that they require to be construct a hotel in the space. So we know whenever we go in the hotel, we going by our own car. We park that. Once we finish our fun, we take out our car back and back to the home. So it is a challenge how easily we can connect the another space shuttle or our international rockets. So it is a just artistic work, right? So it is already mentioned here. There is a no programming. So you have to find a solution how easily we can connect. Like our Coca-Cola bottle cap is connect to very easily. So ever you observe almost right now all the PET bottles, it may be Coca-Cola, it may be Pepsi, it may be Mirinda or anyone, have a same kind of the plastic bottle cap, same kind. So it can be fitted easy to each and anyone. So it is just small technology, but they are planning to very easily docking and undocking from the ISS. So it is a challenge. So you have to design module. It may be triangular shape, square shape, round shape, how it can be detect, like way, right? So that information is already available as a different YouTube channels and informations, right? And so many people is already providing the informations. They are looking for the member, right? So it is a challenge. So for that you need to continuously read all these challenges, and you require to at least spend 1 to 2 days to understand them, right? Then only you are able to perform. The last one is a, suppose in the create, it is a fourth create, yes, mascot, right? The mascot means you already aware the what is a mascot, but you have to create a mascot such a way. They already ask, it is a serious mascot, it is the funniest one, it is provide the informations, it is listening from you. So if you click on that, you will found their terms and conditions, right? See, choosing the mascot, it is a real person, it is a fictional, it is an animal, right? So it is provide the informations, and for that you have to study, and also the resources available, mascots by NASA, SVG, right? So you can access. CSA means Canadian Space Agency. This event is totally organized by multiple countries and multiple space agencies. I was forget to inform you. It is by CSA, Canadian Space Agency. CNAS, it is by France. JAXA means Japan's Aeronautics and Exterior something likewise. It is a JAXA, ESA, European Space Agency, and it is a host by NASA, just like our ISRO, right? Indian Space Agency. So all are combinedly work. So you are free to
Excuse me, sir.
access. Yes, please.
Sir, I have personally joined in the observe category. So are there another
Okay.
guidelines for different categories?
Yeah, each and every category have a subcategory, and each subcategory have a guideline. So suppose I open the observe. Which one like to know in the observe?
Hey, what are you looking at?
See, I just tell you avoid this one because you don't know what is the spectroscopy. Are you aware of the different electromagnetic radiation?
Pranam sir, just sorry to interrupt. If meeting breaks because of 40 minutes limit, no, we'll again rejoin with the same link.
Okay, no problem.
So there was a warning few minutes back, 10 minutes was about last 10 minutes were left.
Okay, I
So
stop here and rejoin
no,
after
no, no,
5
no,
minutes.
no,
Right?
sir. You continue, sir. If connection breaks, that means 40 minutes limit is over, and then again we'll rejoin because I've kept 1 hour duration. So after 40 minutes, our connection will break automatically. Again, we'll rejoin. All the participants will also rejoin.
Same thing is for me, 2.33 seconds.
Ha. So you continue, sir. If breaks, then again we'll join back.
Okay, just I break and join once again.
That won't help, sir. Because, hello, sir.
No problem, sir.
You continue, sir. Because if you break and come back, meanwhile meeting will get over. Again, you have to rejoin.
Yes, sir. You are talking about that observe and that
Observe partners
hey,
there,
you
yes.
are observing.
We are observing, right? So in that case, you require to understand the different radio waves first thing. And normally when we receive the any kind of the radio means which you cannot see. It may be your mobile wave, your DTH wave, your wireless, your Bluetooth, your Wi-Fi, all are the radio waves. Once
Yes,
we
sir.
receive the radio wave, and we trying to convert it into sound wave actually, right, from the deep space, and trying to
Yes.
understand. So same thing in that case, a multiple wavelengths are there. Normally we have protected ourselves using the electromagnetic field and our ozone layer which is protecting us. But when the our Hubble telescopes or another different telescopes are there, which is receiving an information from the deep space and it is transferred to the earth ground, right? So for that you need to at least understand what is those waves, and then after you need to be convert them. So I think it is
Yes, sir.
difficult for you, and for that requires communications experts, at least BE or at least ME, right? So I just
Okay,
request
sir.
you choose at least you start the study, and whenever you found any problem, you can search on the website or you can contact to me in a same WhatsApp group. I will reply you when I receive
Okay,
the
sir.
question, right? So just avoid the common things which you cannot be do, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Most welcome. Next thing I like to share with you is that this one I will share.